Let's turn on the slime. So all you need is anything you have, any soap, and something to mix with. So first you need to spray. I mean, just so I put it in. You should put you can add a lot, but not really because the water can literally go. Okay, so that much. Let me add it in. And then I'm gonna put water, a little bit, only that tiny. So tiny, okay? Let's mix. So it's gonna be a clear slime. Now from the slime, it's still not this side. There's just actually a bit of a bowling a little bit. Now keep mixing that. Then mix for about I think about 5 minutes. Okay. Or until your vein gets tired. Now let's mix more on the side. Now actually we're done. Inside. Go to the. No, actually you don't have to put it in the freezer. You should put it here. I'm gonna be a second with you guys for 2 hours.